Welcome back, Lady Doris here. So today I want to show you how I made these beautiful caps, and the measurements I'll be using is, the first one is 17 inches, second is 19 inches, third is going to be, you just see how 21 inches. I'm adding the inches, so this is 23 inches and this is going to be 25 inches. All right, this is the base of that's my cap, or the main cap, right? So the length is 25 inches while the width is going to be 20 inches. All right, so that's it. For this particular one here, is going to be the pleats for the cap, the frontal pleats that I'm going to use for my crossing. It's going to be two parts. The first one, the length is 14 inches while the width is 13. You can use 12, 13 or 14, right? Okay, this is the second one. You know, I said it's two. This is the second one, the same length, the same width. Okay, so this one now is the flip that I'm going to use to cross the work. All right, then I'll take everything to my sewing machine and sew down. Sewing down, this is the right side and that's the wrong side. I'm going to be sewing down on the wrong side. I'm going to take all my works to my sewing machine and sew down, right? This is how to form my pleats, all right, the frontal pleats that I'm going to be using for my crossing. Take everything to my sewing machine and sew down. I'm done with this one and I'm going to set it aside. All right, but before then I want to show you how to do the crossing. Okay, so you just place everything, arrange the two sewing arrangement that I just made and pleats, then arrange it, cross it like this, and that's it. Sew it down. You see how I made it. It's very simple. This my tutorial is beginner friendly. Even speaking to you or maybe talking to you or explaining this video, I don't think it's going to do justice to this training. All right, it's not going to do justice to this tutorial, so I just prefer keeping notes and explaining the parts that needed to be explained. All right, okay, so what you saw there is how to turn the look out, and this is the cap that I made. All right, I already took it to my sewing machine and made it. A lot of you know how to make this, and some of you who do not know how to make it, go down to my videos. You see how to make this cap, and I already have the video there. Okay, I think I'm going to leave the link on the description, and this pleats, I have a detailed video on how to make them. I'll set it aside and come back to this particular one. Then I'm going to go back to this one and turn them inside out. Then I'll bring my crinoline. I'm going to be inserting my crinoline on this, and how I'm going to do it, I'm not going to do it according to the measurement. All right, though I'm going to set it like this, but I am not going to measure out and start inserting. I'm going to do that directly. All right, so measuring the crinoline is 2 inches, and what I measured here on the fabric is 4.5, which is 4.5 inches. That is the measurement for the base of that. That is the width of this my material. So I'm going to be using selector to tape down the front, the tip of my crinoline, so that it will be able to enter the material, right? So if you don't do it, I'm still going to show you what it's going to do if you did not tape the tip. Do you see it now? It's not going to enter, but once you use selector to seal the mouth, the tip is going to enter perfectly straight up without disturbing you. All right, so this is for this one. Now I'm going to here I'm pinning down is going to be where I'm going to be sewing. I'm going to take this particular one now to my sewing machine and sew it down. I'm going to be sewing the two sides of it, but before then, just watch to see how I arrange this crinoline in to fit in my work. All right, look at it. I'll just press it down, drag it up, press it, bring it down, drag it up, press it, so that it will be smooth. I just did this method is just make it to be smooth. Then I'm not going to cut until I'm done achieving what I want. So do not be petty on this material, this fluorine. Make sure everything fits, because the work you are doing is going to come out, it's going to be a perfect one. All right, you don't want to mess it up. Okay, so please don't measure out and go back to inside directly. Then wherever the line stops, then cut there. So here, look at how I just sew this with my sewing machine. Turn it, sew, then form your already style that you want. Sew it down directly. All right, so I'm going to do everything now and show you the outcome.
You can learn everything on headwear making.
That is by the way, and I'm already on it, and it's very simple, especially when you have a sewing machine. You can use your needle and thread to achieve this. All right, so as you go ahead to watch this video, please, I want to ask you, have you subscribed to this channel? Have you clicked on the follow button? Have you liked the video? Are you reasoning the kind of comment you are going to drop here? I'm expecting some questions that you should ask on this tutorial, right? I'm just waiting for your questions. Just drop it on the comment section. I'm going to come back here to reply you, not here anyway, maybe on the comment section, or maybe if there is any style you want me to make, you can pick my number there, and either you chat me via my email or via my WhatsApp. All right, just chat me, show me the style you want me to create, all right, to recreate, or maybe to show the tutorial. I'm going to do that. All right, I'm going to do that. Right, okay, so if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, turn on your notification, and also please share to your friends. This is the outcome, and is looking take. All right, so I love it too, and my customer loved it. I don't want to show her picture. If not, I would have shown you. Have a blessed day. Bye.